In this video, I will show you how to open and use Google Gemini on your PC, step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to understand how Google Gemini works and what features it offers. First, I opened Google Chrome on my computer. Then, in the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon. From the drop-down menu, I clicked on Gemini. After that, the Google Gemini interface opened. In the center of the screen, there is a message text box. I typed hello in the message box and pressed enter. Google Gemini replied instantly to my message. Now, inside the same message box, there is a plus icon. I clicked on the plus icon. A terms and conditions pop-up appeared, and I clicked on agree. After agreeing, a drop-down menu opened. The first option is upload files. This means you can upload any file, such as a document or PDF, and ask Gemini to read it, summarize it, or perform tasks based on that file. Below that, there is an option called Add from Drive. This allows you to upload files directly from your Google Drive. Next, there is the Photos option. This lets you upload photos from Google Photos and ask Gemini questions about them. Below that, there is NotebookLM. NotebookLM is a Google AI tool that helps you study, research, and understand documents better. You can upload notes, PDF, or articles, and Gemini will help summarize, explain, and answer questions based on your content. Now, next to the plus icon, there is a Tools button. I clicked on Tools, and another drop-down menu opened. The first option is Deep Research. Using Deep Research, you can ask Gemini to perform in-depth research on any topic. Below that, there is Create Images. This option allows you to generate AI images based on your text description. Next, there is Canvas. Canvas lets you create, edit, and work on content in a structured way, such as writing drafts or planning ideas. After that, there is Guided Learning. Guided Learning helps you learn new topics, step by step, with explanations and examples. Now, on the right side of the message box, there is a microphone icon. By clicking this microphone, you can speak instead of typing, and Gemini will understand your voice commands. Next to it, there is a model selector button. I clicked on it, and multiple Gemini models appeared. You can choose any model based on your needs, such as speed or accuracy. Now, in the top left corner, I clicked on the 3 lines menu. 2 options appeared. The first option is New Chat. By clicking New Chat, you can start a fresh conversation. The second option is My Stuff. In My Stuff, you can see your saved data, previous chats, and generated content. At the bottom of the left panel, I clicked on Settings. A drop-down menu opened. The first option is Activity. Here, you can manage your Gemini activity history. Next, there are Gemini instructions. This allows you to customize how Gemini responds to you. Below that, there are Connected Apps. This shows which Google apps are connected with Gemini. Next, there is your public links. Here, you can manage links that you choose to share publicly. Below that, there is the theme option. From here, you can turn dark mode on or off. And finally, there is NotebookLM Access, which connects Gemini with advanced research and note-based learning. And that's it. This is how you can open, use, and understand Google Gemini on your PC. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment for more easy tech tutorials.